Hello my dear friends, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I will show you a new project which is called Professor Cat Coin. So you're gonna see all the crucial points and their pre-sale, how to add your wallet and buy their token, So let's dive into the video and see how it works. As you can see guys, now I am at the home page of a Professor Cat coin. It's going to the moon. There first of all you can read terms or conditions also. And welcome to Professor Cat, the smartest meme coin in crypto. Join the revolution where intelligence meets memes. Don't miss your chance at the next 100x opportunity. So you can join the pre-sale right now, but before going to it, let's learn more. So launch countdown, price increase every 13 days, left 35 days and 17 hours. So the countdown to the biggest meme coin launch is on. So pre-sale progress, there you can see the amount and help us reach our $1 million goal, by Professor Cat coin. So you can see right now this like I think the lowest price, current price is 0.001 and the dollar for like a PCC, like Professor Cat coin. Price increases every 13 days. Don't miss out on early pricing. So you can also select the payment methods. They are Solana, USDC and USDT. But first of all, to buy this token coin, like you have to connect your wallet to buy it. So you can see their Phantom, Soft Layer, Backpack, Trust Wallet and etc. So you can also first of all register in Phantom, and after that like add some gas fee and buy this token successfully. So with Solana, USDC, also USDT, how much USDT do you want to spend? Okay, for example, for I think let's write for 100 USDT you're gonna receive there, you can see 100,000 of like Professor Cat coin. So there you can see their token address, so you can check it also. And about us, meet Professor Cat, there you can see a revolutionary, market leader, community first, massive reach. So these crucial points: secure, safe, high rewards. You can see expanding to more decentralized exchanges. This coin will be launching on more decentralized exchanges soon. Stay tuned for listings on major platforms to increase liquidity and accessibility for the entire community. So also get ready for a lift off there. Professor Cat coin will be launching on centralized exchanges soon. Get ready for early and easy access, maximum liquidity and seamless trading. So that's easy. Just add your wallet and there click on that and buy your Professor Cat coins. So coming soon, their Professor Cat has not launched but will launch soon on pre-sale, long-term vision, radium launch and more coming. So be among the first to join the Professor Cat revolution. Support our mission. There you can see help us grow the Professor Cat coin PCC ecosystem, and every donation makes a difference. So you can also donate there. Select payments method, Solana, USDC or USDT, and just connect your wallet and you can donate. So first of all, their popular wallets for them is Phantom. So there they have also great community, Twitter, Telegram, Discord. So all the main links are at the description below. You can check it right now and follow them. For example, their Telegram, you can see Professor Cat coin, their Twitter, you can see, and all the main links are now at the description, my dear friends. So they are also they have a Discord. You can join the server. Tokenomics, let's take a look. Transparent distribution of funds to ensure long-term success. Marketing is 40%, development 26%, and liquidity 20%. And the last they are 14% is the developers, devs like. Yeah, Professor Cat coin. So you can see all the info about the pre-sale and the community. For now, the main thing is pre-sale. So I already explained to you how to buy their token, like coin. So that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching till the end. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the like button, write the comments, and see you in the next videos. Bye my dear friends.